So this one made me crazy when I start using hitfilm express. It's when we try to animate this png, as you can see right here. In the video or any picture we want, we make it a composite shot like this. And specifically in the position right here, when we try to make this png cross the whole screen from the bottom all the way up, like this, make keyframe in the beginning and right here. So we want this png to cross the screen like this. Sorry about that, it's so damn long. Let's move this keyframe right here or so. And the animation is supposed to be like this. So when we came to the editor panel, guys, it doesn't do that. As you will see right here. So the thing about that, when you select it, there is a square in the middle right here of this png. As you can see, it will appear only in this square. To fix that, it's easy. We're gonna make this square fit the screen, as you can see right here. But the png became so much bigger. So this is an easy fix also. All we have to do is to come back to the composite shot and we're gonna scale this the size that we want. Like this. So now we came to the editor panel again, and now it will cross the whole screen with the size that we want. So this is for me is a game changing, so I want to include it in this tutorial.